Hi, this is Jay Miller from Croton Auto Park. I'd like to introduce to you a 2018 Jeep Trackhawk, the fastest production SUV in America. One of the most technically advanced yet user-friendly performance SUVs you'll ever see. The vehicle is equipped with a 707 horsepower produced engine, 6.2 liter supercharged V8 Hellcat motor. You attach that to the legendary Jeep four-wheel drive traction system, and it gives you one of the most unbelievable all-purpose beasts on four wheels today. Come visit us at Croton Auto Park, 1 Municipal Place, Croton-on-Hudson, New York, 10520.